us be the voice for Shawn Storm. You understand? Let us, since a Shawn Storm family them, period, you and Nani is Shawn Storm family, and we're going to ball out on YouTube. Cartel is too wicked. So they say either swear and either forget big. Tell him it's a Nani. Say through the weight, real tar. Me don't know Shawn Storm and me don't know him, but they say all the sickness they that get bigger and bigger every day. It's a botany more every licking getting I made with that. What you do for Shawn Storm? What you make the man do so much ear for you and nothing? Some blood clot licking wanting I made with a botany.
Before we get into the video, I want you to check out Countryman Canada, the YouTube channel, and also check out the WhatsApp group down below. You understand? In the group, we share information, we talk about a lot of stuff, and any ideas, any kind of videos you guys want me to make, I'll make it for you as long as it's possible for me to do it. So remember, check out the WhatsApp group. Now, let's go. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great Countryman. Now, we're talking about Shawn Storm, Vybz Kartel, and how Vybz Kartel treat this young man. And the more I dig into this story, I know that Vybz Kartel is a real big pussy hole. Now, the appeal court don't like Vybz Kartel, and part of that reason is him talk too fucking much, like the youth say, you understand? And the biggest thing what bother me about the youth here is the treatment of Shawn Storm and the other youth, which nobody are mentioning name. Now, who's Shawn Storm? Me hear say Shawn Storm was born in Portmore area. He grew up over there. Vybz Kartel, the pussy I look on right there, he's not from that area. Vybz Kartel come from Ashley Road. Him and him family them. His mother get a place in the box house over there, and that's how him end up in a Portmore. Now, we are talking about Shawn Storm and the treatment, you know, but I just want to point out certain things about Vybz Kartel as I go along through this video. Now, may I give you some insight about Shawn Storm. Him born in a Portmore, okay, and his mother still at the school out there in a Portmore. Now, Shawn Storm went to school and he became a mechanic, and he was working for, I think, Juta bus company. Now, he can sing and he was putting out his music and doing his thing, and Addy, I guess Vybz Kartel, hear music and start recruiting. Now, from the jump, you know, say Kartel was fucked up, because every time Shawn Storm for go work, that's the time Vybz Kartel come check him for go do music. So because of that, him job end up suffer, and him lose him job, and then him start the music full time with Vybz Kartel. Now, all along, you know, Shawn Storm did a do him thing until Vybz Kartel come. Now when Vybz Kartel start link with Shawn Storm, him start make Shawn Storm lock the gun them, and Shawn Storm and Lizard was very, very close. One of the sick thing about that boy, Vybz Kartel, like where Nanny say he want a liquid and head with a piece of pipe. Nanny a rat, but Shawn Storm make it be known, so listen, he want to do the music and think her mother, she lose her eye. When she was younger, she was playing, I think, Dandy Shandy or one of them game there, and she end up get a lick in her eye and she lose her eye. So all along, Shawn Storm his goal was to do the music and help his mother. But when he meet Vybz Kartel, he end up catch the case. And now Shawn Storm is in jail. And Vybz Kartel is in jail because of Vybz Kartel doing some fuckery and the youth get caught up in it. Now, we are talking about the case, Shawn Storm and everything, but as we move along, one thing kinda really strike out with me, and I think other vloggers talk about it like Sir P, and I'll be honest, I have never watched Sir P video, for real, because me no want to get caught up. Every now and then if something interesting, I might look on the title or something, but me no really watch Sir P video and other people video like that. One guy video when me kinda watch, I say that to say this: which artist Kartel really boss? Me no really see no artist in boss. If you notice, all of the artists and all of the man them were boss after him go to prison, and the only man when a boss a Shawn Storm, cause him there jail. Vybz Kartel pull him out jail, but I don't really see nobody like Popcorn. Him doing thing after Kartel got jail. Tommy Lee, you understand, and a whole bunch of other man. Cause when me hear him do, him have the man them sit down out on the front part and yard where him mother there. And the man them have to sit down out there with him 24/7. You understand? And pretty much if you don't do what him want, is a problem. As far as me see, him use the clansman them as him strong arm. And Vybz Kartel to me is a part of the clansman group. Let me talk about it. Let me mention it one more time. To me, Vybz Kartel is a part of the clansman group. Now, another thing that kind of pop up to mind is mad rumor. I'm not even gonna say rumor. People out there talk say him do a whole heap of other murder. You understand? And me feel like if him ever beat that case here, the Jamaican police I go slap him with another murder charge. Believe me, that's what me feel is gonna happen to Vybz Kartel. Now, with Shawn Storm, we are gonna be the vice for Shawn Storm, like we said. Me, Nanny, and me know other people is out there. Shawn Storm have a daughter. You understand? Vybz Kartel should have helped her. You see what I say? Him should have paid a girl the school fee. Him know say Shawn Storm mother sick, him should have give that lady there a 50 pack every month, maybe every week. You understand? Him nah do that. Now, Shawn Storm, me hear say me get a plea deal for 3 years. And the reason why him not take it is because him not have nobody to defend him. You understand? Now, me I go back to that, but I just want to look on the screen in front of you right there. So, you see that? It's a sociopath, and that explains Vybz Kartel personality and character. What is a sociopath? A sociopath is somebody, see them in front of you now, who justify everything them do at the expense of others. Nothing that a sociopath do is wrong. and it's very enjoying to him. Just like this case, him actually have evidence that him do certain things out there to the man and the man disappear, but yet still he is saying that he is not guilty. I want to repeat that. That is the perfect example of a sociopath. Justify everything, even when there's mounting evidence, He is saying he's not guilty and there's overwhelming evidence. It would have been better if he acknowledged that, yo, listen, it's a technicality that might be able to get me out of jail, and confess to what he did and own up to it. But he's not doing that. Him, in his eyes, he's not guilty. A direct sociopath. No empathy, none of them thing there. With the deal, what me there talk about before me get into the sociopath thing. Shawn Storm never take the deal, and now me realize it is because him don't have nobody to defend him. If Shawn Storm did have some bad man family, like Titty Man them and Dudus and some Western Kingston bad man family, you understand? You think Vybz Kartel could have said nothing to him just because you don't have any backative. And how do I know this? The prosecutor in the case offer Shawn Storm 3 years and he never take it. And believe me, that's the reason why he never take it. Name one Western Kingston man where Vybz Kartel parried or say try for boss or anything. None of them. Nobody. Him not afraid no man a Cockburn pen. Him afraid of Cockburn pen and them place there. Him afraid of Blood Clot, Garden, Jonestown, Rima, all of them place there. Him not have nobody around there, so him not do nothing with no man over there beside that town there. If you do not believe me, do the research and when we see what me a talk about. Vybz Kartel, for him work with all a man from Cockburn Pen or Tivoli, him not do it. If him go do a show in a Tivoli, him do the show, as soon as the show done, him gone. But when you see him with there in a Spanish town, him with there a Mobile, and all of them places there, you understand? I work with the countryman then. That youth there, Kartel, him have a special hate for the town man them. And want the man them know that. All of the youth them where they are prison with him and think say, yo, him have on the back. Him not like if you come from Western Kingston. Me are telling you that right now. Remember, with Kartel is a man from town, Bounty Killer, Seaview, Kingston 11. Game theme break. And you see when him did Lego Bounty, him did a lick out pan Bounty, believe me, and him would have want to try the Bounty something, but him know him couldn't do that, cause he don't know Bounty are the general. But what him do now, him plan for Ninja Man. You understand? Him plan for Ninja Man, and true at the time him have the clansman then behind him. That's why you see him attack Ninja Man. But at the same time, Ninja Man is a man we get enough respect. And Ninja Man are PMP, clansman them are PMP, so I guess the man them quash it. But yeah, I saw that youth a stay. Anybody will work with him, you nah reach nowhere. Yo, straight up, Nanny said, may I deliver a message to him. Nanny said, Kartel, forget, shoot with some shit. Straight up.
I watch you.
Safely. empire to the world, right? Empire world. Right?
Not nice. That's not.
Not nice to the world. So, Shawn Storm, Black Rider, Addy, nobody.
Who that there?
You know, wanna just watch? That is Lizard. I perform, him a dance. You understand? Them there put more water float. You understand? And the reason why I show this is to show that Lizard and Shawn Storm was very, very close. At the end of the video, you hear the young lady say to him talk now, and him come in big up Not Nice, and him also big up Shawn Storm. And Shawn Storm is sitting to the right of the screen. You ever see the video move towards him? You understand? That's not Shawn Storm. You ever see Shawn Storm right now? Look on this. That is Shawn Storm right there. So yo, Lizard and Shawn Storm was very, very close. Now, Shawn Storm was put in a predicament, dog. You understand? It's either him or Lizard. And me just want to show this as a proof that Shawn Storm and Lizard was very, very close. Yo, there is more coming in now. Cause I have another video coming up with Vybz Kartel when me gonna do. And this, it a deal with him on certain things where me think should have happened. So, I want you to stay tuned for it. But for now, we are the vice of Shawn Storm, dog, and the other youth, because everybody a talk about Addy my bumper clot. Remember, this is Countryman. And like, share, subscribe, and see my number there. Give me a call. See, I'm out, yo.